Hey everyone, today we're going to take a quick look at one of the newest features that we've enabled in our platform. We call it Roles and Permissions, and it's going to be over here on your left hand side on the left dashboard of the outlets, or the apps dashboard, not the reseller panel, but the app dashboard. Right now it's only available in the app dashboard. It will be coming to the reseller dashboard as well, but for now it's available here. You'll see it over here on the left hand side. You can click that and you've got two options here: manage roles and manage users. What the roles does is it gives you the ability to create different roles for different types of people. So if you click on the add new button, you will see all of the different features that the app has. You can select all, you can just select individual features, whatever you want to give this specific user type access to. You can from here. Note one thing, info tabs. You also have the ability to give specific info tabs to specific different user types. Okay, so in this case, our info tabs have premium, basic, silver, gold, and manager tags on them. And when I select them, I can give specific people access to specific info tabs. So I can call this, level 1 or manager or assistant manager or whatever. And if I only wanted the manager or the assistant manager to have access to specific info tabs, I could check the info tabs box and I can uncheck whatever I don't want them to have access to. Okay, so that's that. Again, just selecting any one of these checkboxes enables that feature to be available to that specific role. I'm not going to create a role here. I'm just going to show you what we've already got. So we have an admin role, and we created a driver 1 role for our testing purposes. The admin has access to all of the things you see as checked off. And then the other role is driver 1, and they only have access to like a few things. So I'm gonna log in with one of the driver credentials that I've created. So when you create a new person that you want to give access to your back office, you can click add new, get their name, their email, a password, and then you can assign whatever role you want to give them. So whatever you select here will give them permissions. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when you log in as a driver. Okay, like I created that role as a driver. I'm going to use the credentials that I created. And when I log in, you can see how what access I've only got is to whatever was checked off in that specific role. So it's a pretty cool feature. I mean, it's something we've had in our queue for some time, but it's now complete and live on the platform, and you can manage it independently. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you.